Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the HOOBRO Bar Stools, a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, bar, or dining room. These 24-inch bar chairs come in a set of two, featuring luxurious PU leather upholstery that offers both comfort and elegance for your gatherings. With dimensions of 16.1 by 9.4 by 24 inches, these stools are designed with ergonomic upholstery and 1.38-inch sponge padding to ease your strain and provide a comfortable seating experience. Each stool can support up to 265 pounds, ensuring stability and durability, while the high-quality matte PU material makes cleaning a breeze. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth and they look brand new. Thoughtfully designed with comfortable footrests ranging from 6.3 to 9.3 inches in height, these stools also include 4 anti-slip pads to protect your floors from scratches and enhance stability. Plus, assembly is a snap, thanks to the detailed instructions and clearly numbered parts, allowing you to set them up in no time. Elevate your home with the perfect blend of style and functionality with the HOOBRO Bar Stools. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.